Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, what do you do today?
Ma'am, what we will do today?
Beta, let's open up our English creative writing copies.
Ma'am.
Open up English creative writing copies. We'll do a very interesting thing today.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I know what we will do, ma'am. Ma'am, you were teaching fourth week students.
Yes, good.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning,
Yes,
ma'am.
beta. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. All of you be ready with your English creative writing copies.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Good afternoon to all of you. Children, everyone, get your English creative writing copies. We are going to do English creative writing work. Yes?
Ma'am, that you will show us a video.
No, beta. I'll show you in your next SST class. This is English creative. Let's do English creative work.
Yeah.
Good morning. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon. All of you, please go and get your English creative writing copies. Get your English creative writing copies, then we'll start a very interesting topic.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, we're doing key points.
No, beta, we're not doing key points.
Okay, ma'am.
We'll do English creative writing work.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what we will do in English creative?
Beta, I'll tell you what we are doing. Just wait.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I go and take my English creative copy.
Yes, everybody go and take out your English creative writing copies and be patient. I'll tell you what we have to do.
Ma'am, I have already taken out.
Ma'am, we will do picture composition.
Ma'am, your mic is mute. Ma'am, your mic is mute.
Yeah, I know my mic is mute because I'm not speaking anything. I have learned to be silent.
Ma'am, I am
I know
saying,
how to be silent, when to speak and when not to speak. I know because that is why I was silent. My mic was on mute.
ma'am, can we tell about the stories and incidents
No.
that have
No, beta, no. Okay, everyone has taken out their copies.
Ma'am, I have already.
Everyone has taken out their English creative writing copies.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I have taken.
Okay. So what you'll do is write down today's date and write down the heading picture description, or you can also write picture composition. Picture description or picture composition. Anything. I have written picture description. Now what is picture description? Everyone knows the meaning of picture, right? A picture means an image or a photo, a photograph of something. That is a picture. And what is
Ma'am, do
meant by the word description?
Ma'am, I know the meaning of description. Can I tell?
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, the description means the things about that thing, the person, or the specialities we have to tell about that person or a thing can do. It's called description.
Description is to tell, to describe something. What is description? It is to describe something. Now, suppose a picture is given. Suppose a picture is given. So we have to tell, and in that picture, I can see the sun is shining bright. The birds are flying in the sky. I can see a few mountains. And through a window, there's a window made, there's a bed made, and a boy is sleeping on the bed like that. And a wall clock is there. The time is, it's showing 7 o'clock. So what I will assume through this picture, what I'm going to assume that it is morning time. I will imagine, I'll read the picture in my mind, and I'll take out different things. I'll draw different things from this picture. Like I will think that it is morning time. It is 7 o'clock of the morning. The sun is shining bright in the sky. The birds are flying. The boy is just about to get up. And after waking up, he is going to get ready and go to his school. Anything. So that is describing a picture, telling something about this picture in detail. That is description. Is that clear? Description means to describe something, to explain something in detail, to tell in detail about something. Is that clear? Yes? Now, how do we describe a picture? We just can't describe a picture like that. Firstly, we give a proper introduction. A proper introduction is given about any picture. Like for example, I share a picture of a railway station with you. So what you are going to do? First, you're going to tell a railway station is a place where we see many trains coming and going. There are different platforms. There are different tracks. Okay, we have hawkers standing on the platforms. They are selling magazines, water, fruits, like that. What kind of a place is a railway station? People go there, people go to a railway station when they have to. When do we go to railway station? When we have to travel, right? We go to railway station only then. Do you go to railway station without any reason, children? When you don't have to travel and you go to railway station? No, there is a purpose. There is a purpose of visiting a railway station. That is the introduction of the picture. Then after introduction, we move on to the body, the context, the main content. Now in the body, what we do is we actually describe what is given in the picture. Like suppose there are two trains drawn in the picture. You will say, I can see two trains standing at the platform. It is a place, it is full of people. The platform is full of people. It is a busy place. It is very crowded. People are rushing to get into the train. People are panicking to get down from the train, right? Whatever the picture tells us, there is a man standing who is selling bananas. The other person is having a tray on his head and selling chips and biscuits. Okay, whatever is given in that particular picture comes in the body of the picture description. Is that correct?
Okay, ma'am.
And then last point, the third point is the conclusion. Now, what is the conclusion? Conclusion is what you feel about it. What are you have to sum up the picture in your own thinking, with your own thoughts. You can have different kinds of thoughts by seeing that picture. Some of you may like that particular scene. Some of you may not like that particular scene. Some of you, after seeing the picture, may feel that even I should go somewhere. I want to go to a railway station. I want to travel to so and so place. Okay, what you feel after watching that thing, that comes in the conclusion. You will round off your thoughts and feelings in the end, and you will reach to a particular conclusion, reach to a particular subject in the end. That is,
Ma'am,
yes,
ma'am, excuse me.
done.
Ma'am,
So what you,
I'm saying that we can make any picture and describe it if we will write this. We are
Bhavya,
just not writing now, but I am asking this question.
no, what I have to do, what you will do in the class, let me tell you that. Okay, what you want to do at home, you can do after the classes. Is that fine? Whatever you want to do, do. But what I am making everyone do, please let me do that. I'm going to share a screen with you. First of all of you are going to write the following points that we should keep in mind while writing about, while describing a picture, while picture composition. Following points are to be kept in mind. Now, what are those points? Just wait, let me share screen with you.
Ma'am, I have write heading picture composition.
Yes, beta. The heading is picture composition only. All of you understood how a picture composition is done? What we write in the introduction, what we write in the body. Everyone has understood that?
Ma'am, share one picture and we write that what the picture showing us.
Yes, the introduction is what the picture is about. If suppose you are describing a zoo, what a zoo is about, you have to tell that. A zoo is a place where animals and birds live together. If you're describing a railway station is a place where people travel from. We have trains at railway station. Like that, you have to describe a thing. You have to tell, you have to give introduction about that particular picture. Now, all of you can see the screen. First, everyone will write down the following points that we have to take care of while describing a picture. Just write it in your copies.
Ma'am, we have to write this introduction,
Yes,
body of
yes,
content.
yes. You have to write it.
Ma'am, what we will write in the heading?
But we have to write this also. Following point should be taken care of while writing an account of a picture.
Yes, beta. What you see on the screen, you have to write it completely in your copy. Okay? You have
Okay,
to write everything from following, from the word following to the word subject. Write down everything.
We have to send this on the WhatsApp group. Ma'am, what are we doing now?
No, you don't have to send it on the WhatsApp group. And who is asking, ma'am, what are we doing? Please leave my class.
Ma'am,
First of all, you don't join the class on time. And in the middle of the class, you keep asking, ma'am, what are we doing? What are we doing? You're joining the class after 15 minutes. At 12:16, you are joining. Now see the recording. Yes. I can't hear you, beta. What you're saying? I can't understand anything. Children written.
Ma'am, I am on body or context.
Okay, okay, write it.
Context.
I will be
I
coming
am
on body
on body or
or context.
Mama, I've done Kanav.
Okay, beta. Let's wait for those who have not done. Sit quietly. Mute yourself. Who is it? Mute yourself.
Ma'am, Athar Gupta.
Ma'am, Athar Gupta. Ma'am, Daksh Pratap Singh. Ma'am, Daksh Pratap Singh.
Telling anybody speaking in another animal in an animal voice. Ma'am, I have done.
Children, hurry up and do it. Then I'll share the screen with you. I'll share the picture with you.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I have done.
ma'am,
Okay,
please share
done?
the picture.
Yes, I'll share the picture. Wait. Okay, now see. What kind of a picture do you think it is? What is it?
Ma'am, this is the picture of a
Ma'am,
jungle. Ma'am, this is
Ma'am,
this is the picture of a zoo. And
Picture of
this
a
is a
zoo.
picture of a zoo. Ma'am, one elephant is taking bath and this baby is in the river. And hippopotamus is also in the river and his baby.
These are
Ma'am, how
rivers.
many words you
You
have to
call these water bodies rivers, huh? These water bodies are what?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, these are ponds.
Ma'am, in one big stone there are lion and cheetah.
Okay,
So, ma'am,
this place is called a stone where you see this lion with its baby. It's a stone. Hmm?
Ma'am,
What?
caves.
Yes, this is a cave. It is a cave where we see this lion with its baby. And these animals are in the pond. They're chilling in the pond. The baby elephant.
and ma'am, one giraffe is eating and one giraffe is eating leaf.
Yes, leaves of the tree. Monkey is hanging down from the tree talking to the little boy. Who is this little boy?
And ma'am,
These people in the zoo are visitors. What are they?
ma'am,
They are
ma'am, visitors. Ma'am, one girl is clicking photo
yes.
by a camera.
A little girl is clicking pictures of penguins. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
And the
ma'am,
lion
no
and
polar bears are
Ma'am, eating fish.
yes, little bear is eating fish. The tiger is taking a nap on tree. He doesn't want to be disturbed by any visitor, any animal. He's relaxing.
And ma'am, one gorilla is sitting. Ma'am, how can we draw the picture in our notebook?
No, you will not draw the picture. You will only see the picture and write about it. Now, children, everybody will be quiet. Everybody be quiet and listen to me. When you start writing about the picture, what you're going to write in the beginning is straight away. Now, that is what the introduction is. In introduction, what you will write about what this picture is about. It is about a zoo. Then you're going to tell what is a zoo. A zoo is a place where animals and birds are kept together in their cages, in their caves. Then what happens is, what is the zoo? Who takes care of these animals? Caretakers are
And
there to,
zookeepers. And zookeepers.
yes, zookeepers are there to take care of these animals and birds. Visitors come to see them in the, who visits the zoo? The visitors, the people come to visit the zoo. They get entertained by seeing these animals. It is one of the favorite places for children, isn't it? It is a favorite. It is children's favorite place.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is the introduction.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to write it is zoo.
Yes, a zoo is a place where animals and birds are kept. Okay? Animals and birds are provided with food and water, good food and water. They are kept safe in a zoo. The animals are not harmed in a zoo. Proper zookeepers are there to take care of them. Anything. Just write 2-3 lines in introduction. Then when we talk about the main body, what do we say? We tell actually what there is in the picture. What is there in the picture? Elephants are taking bath, giraffe is eating leaves, tiger is sleeping, the lion is sitting with its cub outside the cave. Visitors are visiting these animals, they're having a look at these animals. The girl is clicking pictures of the penguins. Okay, everything. What all you can see. Cranes are there in the water. Can you see these 2 pink cranes in the water?
Yes, ma'am.
It is a lively place. These animals are having a good time.
There is a crocodile.
Yes, there's a crocodile near this crane. And I can see a baby zebra having fun time with a colorful parrot over there. The colorful parrot, can you see?
Ma'am, I saw in many in internet the zoo has one snack bar also.
Yes, it has a snack. It has what?
Snack bar.
Yes. And what you will write in conclusion now, after describing the whole picture, after completing the body, in the conclusion, you're going to write about your own feelings. After seeing this picture, how do you feel? How will you round? Yes.
Ma'am, what we can write in the ending?
Yes, that is what, beta. That is what I'm discussing now. But you people talk in between. How we bring this to an end? Now, what are your thoughts and feelings after seeing this picture? After seeing this picture, even I feel like visiting a zoo. It has been very long. I have not visited a zoo. I love to watch. Now, which is your favorite animal when you go to a zoo? Which animal you like to see?
Ma'am, elephant.
Yes, elephant.
Ma'am,
You have, yes, you have something in your mind
Ma'am,
that I want to see this particular animal today. Obviously, when you will go to a zoo, you would not want to see monkeys. Monkeys you regularly see, right? In regular days also. So
Yes,
which
ma'am,
animal you want to see when you go to a zoo? That is all. That will come in conclusion.
lion and tiger.
Yes.
Ma'am, cheetah, lion and tiger.
So this is how you're going to write it. Now start.
See all dangerous animals.
Yes, all wild animals, all dangerous animals, which we don't get to see in our regular lives.
Ma'am, because we see monkeys.
We see monkeys, parrots, and
Ma'am, we see dogs, cats,
yes,
regularly in our life.
yes,
Don't see flamingos, elephants, hippopotamuses, polar bears, zebras, giraffes,
Very
tigers,
nice,
lions.
very nice.
So that's why
penguins.
there we see them because there is safe because they are in their cages.
Now start
Yes,
writing.
because
All
they
of you
are
start
not
writing. And if you're
because
not
they are
able
not
to write,
connected.
children, listen. You will not be able to finish it in this period. So whenever we have our class next now, I'm again going to share this screen with you. And we are going to complete this work. Okay? Don't be in a hurry to finish writing today. Why? Because you have to write it very nicely.
Ma'am, what is the what is the place where the polar bears are?
Polar bears, I can no these yes they are polar bears. They are in sitting under a waterfall.
Ma'am, Antarctica.
Ma'am, we have to mention heading also.
Heading, see, heading is already given. A trip to a zoo. A trip in the zoo.
Ma'am, polar bears live in Antarctica.
Yes, polar bears not
photo?
they are found in cold places. Penguins are also found in cold places. So it looks like a zoo of a cold country. It looks like a zoo
Yes,
of
ma'am.
a cold place.
What do we say?
A zoo is a place where animals are kept in cages. Beta cages, not caves. Not all animals live in caves.
Ma'am, I am saying what do we say that the Ma'am, can I write caves and cages? Big rocks of ice. What do we say the big rocks of
Big rocks of
ice?
big rocks of ice. They are icebergs. They are icebergs, beta.
No, ma'am, like where the penguins are standing, what do we call them?
Now this kind of a place, what is it called? I don't know. They are sitting under a waterfall. Now rocks and all. What this place will be called? Anyone can tell? The place where polar bear and penguins are sitting, what this place will be called?
Ma'am, it is an icy place. Ma'am, it is showing that the animals
Polar
are sitting
region. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
polar region.
But what is this rocky
Polar
area?
region.
How are you going to describe this rocky area?
Ma'am, can I write animals live in caves and cages?
Yes,
Ma'am.
caves, cages.
Ma'am, excuse me.
Yes.
Ma'am, the place where the penguins are there. It is called polar region.
Okay, beta.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what are these white holes in all of the photo? Like near the polar bear, near the penguins, near the tiger, near the this animal, near the giraffe, near the zebras, near the parrot, monkey, and lion.
What are you asking about all these places? What are these places called?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm asking that in the position where the little baby zebra is just hopping in that side, in the middle.
Ma'am, can we
there
write
is
Beta,
space
wait.
and
Now one person is already talking. Why do you start in between? Let me listen to one person.
there is some kind of hole.
There is some kind of
Hole, ma'am, which is white.
no, beta. This is a normal land. Now the color of the land is like that.
No, ma'am, I'm not speaking about the color. Like if you see near the crocodile on the upper side, there is a white hole.
White dot. It's a white dot. No, beta. These circles, white circles you're talking about.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, these circles are just for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No numbers are put there, so don't worry about these circles. You have got nothing to do with them. Okay? Now, next person ask. What was somebody asking, ma'am? Can we write?
Ma'am, I am asking that can we write and visitors having fun?
Yes, of course you can write.